Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new headphone offerings from Speck. This is the Gemtones, or these specifically are the Gemtones Pro. They did also send me out the Sport and the regular version of this. The Pro version of this has multi-point Bluetooth, as well as IPX5 sweat and water resistance, and a wireless charging and USB-C charging case. The regular version is not wireless charging and does not have the multi-point Bluetooth. So that is a little bit of the difference there. The headphone style is overall the same. I've been using the other ones for a few days and they are pretty comfortable. Haven't had any issues with them or anything like that. I've got the Speck Gemtones app here on my S24 Ultra for pairing. So I'm curious to see how the multi-point Bluetooth works. Like I said, the other ones don't have that, so I don't know. I'm just taking the plastic off of them real quick there, or the stickers rather. And then, like I said, they also sent me the Sports, which are the ear hook style, the ones that stay in your ear a little bit better for, you know, running activities like that. But pretty cool that these have a wireless charging case, so that's pretty nifty right there. Overall, the case design is the same as the other ones that I have. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to plug these in for a little bit to get them to turn on. I did with the last pair, so we're going to go ahead and put that off to the side and give those a minute. Also in the box here we do get a USB-C cable as well as a selection of ear tips, small, medium, and large, as well as whatever's pre-installed on there, which is what I used on the last ones. So we're going to go ahead and see. I don't know, it did take a little bit for the other ones to charge before they would turn on, and actually, you know what, these have plastic on them, so they are not going to charge until I take that off. These look a little bit thinner than my other ones, so I'm not too sure if they are or they are in the other room, so I can't really compare them. So I'm going to put those on there real quick. I don't know if I'll be able to get them to pair right away because they did have to charge a little bit last time. But here is the Speck Gemtones app right here, so we can see I have the Gemtones Play, which are the other version of these in there. So the pairing process is just take them out like so, and for whatever reason we have two of them showing up. So I'm going to try to connect to one, and I'm going to click pair, and it looks like it did connect. Alright, it did connect. We're only showing the right bud there, so probably just needs to charge a little bit. Like I said, that's how the other ones were. Try it one more time just to take it out here and see if we can get it to connect. If not, I'll just show you guys with the one connected. But they do come with like little plastic pieces. Yeah, it looks like the other one just needs to charge. They do come with little plastic pieces over the contacts, so they aren't charging or anything like that when they're in the box. So you do usually have to charge them up when you take them out. So we've got your volume limiter, equalizer, stuff like that. You got all those settings. You can control your touch controls right here. So single tap, double tap, triple tap, and press and hold. We can't change the left one because it's not connected right now. And then that's just the app about section. So those are the pros. And then, like I said, I also have the plays and the sports, which we'll take a look at in another video. But just a quick look at Speck's offering here for their new headphones. I think they released these at CES, I believe is what they said, but they sent these to me to check out. You can see there are little red lights here on the headphones to indicate they are charging, and then there is a charging indicator right in between the two for the case itself. You can see we do have full charge there. So I'm going to go ahead and close these back up, let them charge, and I will play with them a little bit. And like I said, we'll be reviewing the other ones in some other videos. But those are the Speck Gemtones Pros, and I will leave a link to them down in the description to where you can pick them up. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. As always, have a great day.